Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madhav, and this is the second video in our introduction to C programming series. And as we have discussed in the first video, we discussed about just the basics of the C programming, like the input and output statements, the scanf and the printf, and those statements. And in this video, we are about to discuss selection, conditional, branching statements in C. And these are used like for conditions. If this happens, then do this. Or if this does not happen, then print this. That is commonly called as if, else if, nested if else, ladders, and etc. Let me explain you this briefly. Selection or conditional statements allow a program to make decision based on conditions. So we need to know what we want, or we need to know what we are printing. So they can, as we can see in this PPT, even this is the help of ChatGPT, and with few prompts, I got this beautiful PPT. They control the flow of execution depending on whether the condition is true or false. So as I told, if else, nested if else, and also ladders, which way statements are mainly important. And we have a syntax for everything, and let's discuss that briefly. If statements. If statement is used to execute a block of code only if a condition is true. As we can see, only if the condition is true. So let's see the syntax. We write if first, everything is in lower cases. If what is the condition we need, we write it in the parenthesis and open bracket. And here in the statements, they are the true block of executable statements that we need. So we have a simple example program. If A is greater than B, then print A is greater than B, as you can see. So this is only one-way branching statements. We have another if-else statements, and this is two-way branching statements. If one condition is true and if another is false, then print that one. So if this condition, so let me point my cursor. If this condition is true, then print this true block. If this condition is false, then print the false block of executable statements. Let's learn from a simple example. If number divided by 2 is equals to 0, this is the assignment operator we are using here, as you can see. I mean, not assignment. If it is equal to 0, assignment has only single equal to. I'm sorry. If the number is divided by 2 and which gives the remainder as 0, then it is an even. Else, it's an odd number mathematically. So that is if else, two-way branching statements. Now nested if statements. It is a if statement contained in another if statement, then it is known as if statement, nested if statements. Where, as you can see, it is written inside another if statement is known as nested if. It's nothing. If if A greater than B, if B greater than 0, then both are positive, etc. It's just simple. Else if ladder. If condition 1 is true, then print this. Else if there is another condition, then print this. If these both are wrong, If these both statements are wrong or conditions are wrong, then print the statement N. This is the else if ladder to test multiple conditions sequentially. Maximum we can use up to 3, 4, 5. But as long if the conditions are more, if we need to test more conditions, then we can go for the loops concept, for loop, while loop, etc. Do while loop. Right. So as we can see in this example, if marks are greater than or equal to 90, then print grade A. Else if, that means, or we can say or, if marks are greater than or equal to 75, then print grade B. Else, then print grade C. That means the marks are less than 75. Then print grade C. This is also flagging. And switch statements are also conditional statements which allow multiple choices based upon the value of an expression, as we can see. So the syntax is switch condition open the statement case value 1 true block break, then case 2 true block break. So a simple uh, program is like in arithmetic operators we can use, like we give an input of an operation we want to do, plus or minus, and case one positive. If we enter plus sign, then the two numbers add and break out of the loop, break out of the condition, like that. And the default, if the operator is not given correctly, then it will print the given operator is not correct. Thank you. These are conditional switch statements and etc.